going.
What was that? Okay.
Right. Hey y'all, welcome in. Let me tell you where we're going today. So today is senior night for my little sister's football season. She's a cheerleader at her high school, which is actually my alma mater as well. I didn't go to that high school, but my diploma is from there. So we're gonna do that tonight. So maybe I'll get some clips for you guys and walk on the field and stuff with her. So I gotta be kind of cute, but I'm not gonna really be giving anything too crazy. I have some accessories in this little bag. It's the necklace I'll be wearing. This is it. It's just a little stud, so pretty. I got this in a haul I will link in the cards. I'm just wearing a black bodysuit. We're gonna figure out the rest of the outfit after, so I'll show you guys. And yes, I know you can see the bra straps, but I'm not taking my coat off, so yeah. I'm gonna put on this ring, same haul, my solo date, and I'll put on my toe ring, which is real gold. I got this as a gift. Just gonna put that on, even though no one's probably gonna see it. And I'm gonna put on these two gold ribbed rings. One on my middle finger, one on the pointer. That's cute. So that's the nail candy for today. I'm really wearing a plain outfit, so I am gonna really accessorize. So I'm gonna put on this Louis Vuitton bracelet as well. And I'll be wearing By the Fireside by Maison Margiela mixed with Jazz Club, if you're wondering. But, oh, I didn't mean to take that off immediately like that. But yeah, so you know I've got my tried and true trusty flat twist going on. They're actually pretty moisturized. I was gonna moisturize it again, but they're actually pretty moisturized. I got a little bun going in the back. And this time I did a little different, so I made a part on the side right here, because this is where I'm gonna lay my wig part. We are gonna be doing the blonde wig today. I haven't washed or anything in a while. It's curly from the last time I wore it, whenever that was. I'm going to start with my edges. This is one of my favorite products. I've been using it for months, almost probably years now. It's about $9 on Amazon, but I'm not gonna put it everywhere, just cause this is a closure wig. If the wind blows, I just want my hair to not be completely not matching the texture. So I'm really gonna brush this out because I want it to match the density of the wig. So
On adventhair.com. Make your transition to wig wearing easier by choosing a wig color and density that closely matches your current or most recent hairstyle.
I didn't ask her anything. I didn't say her name, nothing. So I don't know why she's in our business, y'all. I just want my candle to show. Hee hee. You see what I mean? I'm making a big edge. Okay. Okay. So I'm just brushing the wig out a little bit. Like I said, it's still curly from the last time I wore it, girl. So I guess we're ready to curly. All the specs on this wig, my full review, my first impressions and everything will be linked down below. So check that out and in the cards. So I'm just gonna put it on. I'm gonna line it up on the side. Let's see if we can do this and not look like a crazy wig lady. Okay, we can do something with this, can't we, y'all? Yes, we can. I'm about to get into the Netflix. I'm probably just gonna watch my favorite movie. Or Girlfriends. I'm doing Girlfriends right now. What are y'all watching right now on Netflix or Hulu or wherever you watch? Let me know.
Rather be in jail than I'm a rolling stone. I'm too hot for you to own. In a whip that's meant to speed. If I hurt you, would you leave? I learned the game from some heavyweights. Catching buses, making change from another place. I still got demons from my younger days. I wish I could shake them, but they follow me. I wish I could take it easy, but this family wise. That's my mama, I've been hustling since the sandbox. I'm a rolling stone. I'm sorry in advance if I let you down. I'm sorry in advance if I let you down.
And stop acting black. Oh, damn, guys, let's not get into this. No, let. I want to hear what the sister has to say. That, you see, that right there, that's acting black, and you need to stop. You're a sister. Not a sister. You're an not an You're not acting like an with all that white hair stitched into your head. Okay, wait a minute, all right? The hair.
Me acting like I haven't seen this episode 5 times.
People hate me and they love me at the same time. I guess I'm everything and nothing at the same time. I'm sorry in advance if I let you down. I'm a rolling stone. In advance if I let you down.
When's the last time y'all see somebody tease? Let's see what we've got so far, y'all. It's looking like
Ridiculous. But you're my sister, and I love you.
this looks like winter.
What is all the flavor about anyway?
She's
I
bad.
started out doing it, including me. You go trying to be white, so when you were going through your Valley Girl phase, and I took all of this. It's my baby sister. The day we brought you home, our family became complete. Loved you then, and we love you even more now. Liam,
We'll wait till it's around time to brush this out. But I'll take that out so that we can fix this. Let's fix this really quick.
What's poppin'? Brand new whip, just hopped in. I got options. I can pass that bitch like Stockton. Just joshing. Let me spend this holiday locked in. My body got rid of them toxins. Sports in the top 10.
Oh, sorry.
I can put the ball in the end zone, put a bad bitch in the friend zone. This shit sound like an intro jet song. Give me that tempo.
I'm not gonna do any makeup. I'm just gonna do some mascara. I'm gonna try on some shoes, and then I'll show you guys the finished look. And we'll fix the hair up and do any final touches that we have to do, but I'm just gonna leave it, you know, with some clips in it and stuff so it pin curls. I don't want it too long and I don't want it, you know, going past each other, so I'm gonna do that. I don't know if I'm gonna wear those earrings. I feel like it's gonna be a bit much. I put my docs on with some fuzzy white ankle socks. It was so cute, but I feel like it's getting too cold, like too winter. But yeah, let's finish up the hair.
Told Pooh he a fool with the shit. Told her don't let her friends know. In the building I move like a dime. Eating fettuccine at Vincenzo's. Me and my amigos got that free smoke on the west coast. Yeah, I'm talking about pre-rolls. Dark hair bitch, she look like she go. She do.
Yeah, that's good, like bombshell curls.
Hometown hero, feeling myself, can't murder my ego. She heard my deep stroke, she said, babe, does it hurt when I deep though? Certified freak hoe, hang around dust and she learning my lingo. Back then, wasn't worried about me though. In the gym, trying to work on my free throw. Goddamn, spending money at the club like Sam's. Yes, ma'am, she a little freak on cam, but she don't put this on the ground.
So I'm gonna put my finishing touches first. So I'm gonna do some studs. Just some plain studs I got from Amazon. I'm just wiping them off so they sparkle. Here's the bag I'm carrying. I'm just carrying my Louis Vuitton like it's a clutch. For the shoes, I ended up going with just some Converse. I'll show you guys the finished look. Now I'm putting some mascara. This is Benefits Better Than Sex Mascara.
I'm at the venue, it's packed in. I'm digging her accent. I got a BB Simon belt on me and she tryna get it on passing. That's my type of distraction. That's my type of she Latin. Got my own flow and I'm about to get a patent. Brand new sheets for the bed they satin.
Hello? Why he running? Where he think he going? Oh, okay. I ain't shave my mustache or nothing, Jesus. And then I'm putting the Laneige lip mask. On. I'm packing all of this in my bag as I go. And then I'm gonna finish with the NYX Butter Gloss in Praline. Should I put some liner? No, I'm not gonna do liner. Yes, gloss. Okay. That's good enough for me.
Another one.
Here's the hair. Oh, this is hot. Wow. Wow. Should I fluff it, y'all? I don't think I should. Let's get into it. Ooh, is that a hue right here? No, not really. Y'all, I cannot believe this hair right now. This is hitting. This is cute. Okay. So I'm gonna put on the jacket, the necklace. Let's lift the titties up so I can really say hello at the football game, the high school football game. You know, I just want to look like, oh, her sister's bad. Oh. I didn't want to do it, but I have to do it. Oh, wow. Wow. This came together so cute. I can't get over it. What? And we're just doing the Converse just to make it casual. And then we're gonna grab a bag. Let me show y'all. Wow. This is casual. This is Football Friday, ain't it? But bad and like grown. Fun. Let me show y'all. It's better lighting. Let me turn the light on. Wow, I just cannot believe this came together like this. Okay, hold on. I need to be worried about charging my phone because I'm pretty sure it's on 30%, but here's the finished look basically, y'all. Here's the nails, the ring. I want to keep it classic and classy. Oh, the girls look good. I'm ready. Giving housewives. There's the hair. Pretty, right? Alright, y'all, but I'm getting hot. So this is the final look. the final look-see. So I'll be on the TV and all that at the senior high school football game. It's the last football game of the season. I'll take y'all with me, maybe do a little bit of vlog. That's everything. Turn things off, put things up. All right, y'all, I'm getting hot, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you subscribe. Make sure to leave a comment down below. Let me know anything else that you want to see from me. Turn on your post notification bell. And yeah, I think that's it. I'm about to leave out, y'all, okay? Run away. Peace out.
Our camera? Hello? Sorry. Hi. The senior. No press. Oh my god, I'm about to cry. Flowers.
I'm so proud of you. No camera yet again.
What the? Not fine. Kylie! Kylie! No, I'm talking. What? Who? What are you talking about? What are you busy talking about? Look at Auntie's wig. Y'all see Auntie wig? Auntie got her wig on.
Auntie grandma.
Here's Auntie.
Look at that. I gotta get her mom.
Rock it, don't stop.
They look like,
You
okay.
know how you need to attack. Just rock with the Titans.
That's what she said. She's giving it tonight. Oh God.
The greatest grandma.
Look. Y'all see me move my wig? Hello?
Excuse me. Vlog.
You're gonna love these when you're older.